Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Cadillac Escalade ESV Luxury. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 159,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.